Hi, today I will be showing you how to create a project and import your dataset into the Visual PFAS software. For the purposes of this tutorial, I will be using the airport demo data file included in the Visual PFAS installation package. When you first open up Visual PFAS, this is the screen you'll see, and here at the top you can see a navigation bar. To start on a project, let's click on Project, and in the drop-down menu, we can select New. This will prompt the window to open where you can fill out details of your project and choose where your project will be saved. Here we have a reference ID of 1001. I'm going to name my project Demo Airport. And the data I'm using today was collected in the United States, in the state of Florida, and the city of Tampa. Here I'm choosing to save my project under a folder I created called Visual PFAS Projects. Before we move forward, we should make sure that all checkboxes are selected. Once you're ready, you can click Create. Since we are using the airport demo data from the installation package, we will go into the installation package in our files and move the data into our project folder. This will allow for a more seamless import process in Visual PFAS. Now we will do the exact same thing for the map layers. Now that we have that in order, we can return to the navigation bar at the top of your page and click on Database. In the drop-down menu, you can select Import. There are two ways you can import your data. You can either import a zip file or individual files. If you choose to import a zip file, select the Compress Folder option on the top left, and then using the button on the right, you can select a zip folder that contains all your CSV data files. Visual PFAS will then auto-populate all the necessary categories. For this tutorial, we will be importing individual files, and we're going to select the folder. Visual PFAS will automatically check to make sure that all files are present and auto-populate these categories. There is also an option to select individual files for each category. After importing your data, the user will find all of the locations in the map overlay panel in the bottom right. And just like that, you have created your first project and imported your datasets into Visual PFAS. In the next video, I will show you how to create a base map. Thank you.